The most well-known Italian town on Lake Como is probably Bellagio, also known as the Pearl of the Lake. It is one of the most popular tourist destinations on Lake Como because of its picturesque and advantageous location at the point where the Y-shaped lake splits into two branches. It is a classy, well-known tourist destination that, despite the daily influx of visitors, still exudes a great deal of charm. Only 200 people call the historic village of Bellagio home, as opposed to 900 hotel rooms for visitors, and the majority of residents reside in the other hamlets and villages that dot the headland and are collectively governed by the Comune de Bellagio. The small town is a great place to enjoy an afternoon, a romantic getaway, or simply use as a base to explore Lake Como. Bellagio is undoubtedly one of Italy's top vacation spots thanks to its stunning views, chic boutiques, 2 gardens to explore, picture-perfect lanes, selection of restaurants and bars, and regular boat services. At the main ferry jetty in Bellagio, there is a helpful tourist information office where you can get maps, facts, and some good leaflets with suggested walking tours of Bellagio and its neighboring villages. These flyers are available for downloading from the helpful tourist information website, which also provides thorough directions to the resort. Bellagio is one of the lake resorts with one of the prettiest settings, and it's a nice place to wander around, explore, or just laze. A waterfront that is lined with trees is where passenger ferries dock. A lovely arcade with cafes and restaurants across the street offers shade and protection from the sun. This is a great location for an aperitivo or post-dinner beverage. As you exit the boat, turn right to find more touristy cafes. These are the places where you can relax in the afternoon with a large fancy ice cream and observe the boats passing by. The historic Hotel Grand Breton, which is currently deserted and in a bad shape, is located a little further in this direction, before you arrive at a lovely lakeside promenade. Also, you'll arrive at Villa Melzi, one of the 2 public gardens, a short distance later. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Since Bellagio has a very small resident population, there aren't many local restaurants to be found, but it does have a good selection of fairly smart, decent restaurants geared toward its tourist clientele. Try Bacchetta a few yards uphill for a more cozy settings and filling pizzas. You can also enjoy the Enoteca Cava Turacciolo, a cozy cellar wine bar that serves traditional meals as well as tasting side portions of local meats and cheeses. Try the reasonably priced light meals and snacks at La Torre, a bar with tables on the central piazza if you're on a tight budget. More cafes can be found along the Via Garibaldi, the town's main thoroughfare. as well as a takeout restaurant serving pizzas and snacks. Visit the tiny food store below the church that is marked Mini Market if you want to go on a picnic or just save money. Here you can stock up on groceries or order low-cost rolls. There is no need to spend a fortune on mineral water because Bellagio, like the other towns near Lake Como, is liberally sprinkled with drinking water fountains where you can fill up a bottle or flask.